What's up everybody, welcome back to Phones, Drones, Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss another video just like this. This is the Google Home Hub. This is Google's first attempt at a Google Home with a built-in touchscreen. Google announced this back on October 9th, and I finally got one in my hands, and I have to say my first impression is that I'm really impressed. Google decided not to include a webcam on this device for privacy reasons, and I have to say I can really appreciate that. The screen also has a built-in ambient IQ sensor, so it can intelligently adjust itself to the light settings around it. One of the big standout features is the ability to mute the mic and also be able to control all your devices via the touchscreen itself. If I swipe down from the top, I can easily access my lights, change the colors of them, change the brightness. It's really nice. It's a pretty awesome feature. The other thing that we have here is the ability to watch YouTube videos right from your Google Home. I can stream videos right from my phone directly to the Google Home Hub and watch them and view them and listen. The other big thing is Spotify integration. Spotify is here and it works incredibly well. I can see all of my playlists, play, pause, stop, and the speakers are incredibly punchy. I don't think anybody's gonna have any complaints with these speakers. Have a listen. I only cranked that volume up to 7, but I will tell you there is barely any distortion coming out of those speakers. They're very punchy. Coming back to that touchscreen again, it is not the sharpest display, but I mean, it will definitely get the job done. The idea is you're not gonna really be consuming much media from here, more or less controlling your devices like your Nest thermostat or even your various lights. All in all, the biggest feature of the Google Home Hub is the fact that it's priced so aggressively. When you look at the likes of like the Echo Show and the Echo Spot, the Google Home comes in at $149.99. It is crazy cheap. And for the very first time, I don't feel like I'm getting ripped off in home automation. The design is pretty subdued and the price is cheap. And honestly, if you're already a part of the Google ecosystem, there's really no reason not to consider this. There's not a better voice assistant than Google Assistant. Amazon's Alexa does okay. She's nowhere near the capacity of Google Assistant. So again, I'll leave links in the description below, but all in all, I'm really blown away with this Google Home Hub, and I'm gonna replace my actual Google Home that I've had for the past 2 years with this. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay original.